Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the warm up mode for leftovers on Thermomix TM6. You can heat up leftovers with the warm up mode. That mode allows you to heat something up so you can eat it, like a soup or something like that, or a stew. You can go to the right page, then select the warm up mode. Now you can select the temperature up to 90 and down to 37, and then go here and turn the speed selector. I'll set it to 37 because I don't have anything inside, and I can set it to, you can see, different modes, stirring 1 or 2. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.